everyone. We have 2 more pages in our math workbook we have to complete today. Then we'll be done with our chapter when we were talking about classifying objects and sorting them based off of characteristics or traits that they had that were similar. So for instance, yesterday we looked at this page and we talked about how these 2 objects had similar traits because they're both red, but this one did not because it's not red. So today we're looking at page 17. So turning in our books to page 17. And then we are also going to need a pencil to complete page 17. Sounds like somebody's listening to some music very loudly in their car outside my apartment right now. We are going to need pencil, page 17, and then we're ready to begin. Okay. This says classifying and sorting things by 2 attributes or 2 traits. Ooh, this page, I'm going to fold it so it's easier to see. So for this one, it's kind of like the one we did a couple days ago where we had to draw a line from the dot next to an object to something else. So on this side, we see different shapes. Let's go through. What shape is this? Circle. What shape is this? Circle, triangle, triangle. What are some other things you're noticing about these 4 shapes? Listen and whisper to somebody or think to yourself, what are some things that you're noticing about these shapes? Besides 2 circles and 2 triangles, we saw that. Right, oh, I heard a couple. Yeah, one is blue, one is yellow, one is blue, one is yellow. Yeah, we have a blue circle and a blue triangle and a yellow circle and a yellow triangle. I also heard something about size. There's a big circle and a small triangle and a big triangle. Ooh, I wonder if these words match what we just saw. Let's see. Our first word is an ig family word. What is this word? Ig. Big. We talked about size. What do we think this one is? Small. 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 Big and small. Our next one is, oh, this is a color word. What color word is this? Yellow. Yellow. Next one is also a color word. We already talked about these. What is this color word? Blue. Blue. Right. Yellow, blue. Wonder what these ones are going to be. We already talked about these too. This is a shape word. The shape word is circle. Circle. And triangle. Triangle. Right. So we need to make a line from this black dot to 2 things that it matches. So for instance, we said this is a which shape? Circle, right. So we could go all the way down here and draw a line to circle. What color did we say this was? Blue. So we could draw a line down to the blue. And then what size did we say this was? Right, if we were looking at the 2 shapes, this is bigger than this circle. This, using our comparing words, this circle is bigger than this circle. So we could say it's big. That's 3. We only need to find 2. So you decide, pick 2 of the ones that we just said, and draw a line from this to 2. We said big, blue, and circle. Taking our pencil, I'm going to use my gray marker so it's easier to see. Choosing, I think I'm going to choose big as one of mine and circle as one of mine. So I found 2. We only need to do 2. So that means we can come down to our next circle and find our next shape. and find 2 more things that match the characteristics of this shape. So let's go over these words again. We have big, small, yellow, blue, circle, and triangle. So I would like you to pick 2 of those. Remember, this is a what shape? Circle. What color circle? Yellow. Is it the bigger or the smaller circle? Small, right. So those were 3. You just need to choose 2. Finding 2 attributes or 2 traits that match that shape. I am also gonna do small. Okay. These were the 2 that I chose. I chose small and yellow. What's the other one that I could have used? Right, circle. I chose these 2, but you could have also chosen circle. Okay, for the next 2, I would like you to do those on your own. Remember, what shapes are these? Triangles. What color is this one? Blue and yellow. And is this the smaller or bigger triangle? Smaller, right. Small triangle and big triangle. Okay, finish those for me, and you can pause now and finish that now, or you can finish that later. But we have 1 more page in our chapter, and then we are done with chapter 16 in our math workbook. This says, make an X on the wrong common attribute. So we first need to look at this. It says number 1, there's a line here. So we need to look at this area. I see 2 shapes and 3 words. 2 shapes and 3 words. What are we noticing about these 2 shapes? What are some things we're noticing? You can listen and whisper to somebody, tell me, or think to yourself, what are some things you're noticing? Ooh, I like that idea. Right? Yeah, definitely. Right, yeah. Oh, I like that. So I'm hearing this triangle is smaller than this triangle, but they're both triangles. So we're seeing they're both triangles, and they're both a certain color. What color is that? Red. So they're both red triangles, but they're different sizes. Interesting. Okay. So looking at these 3 words, the first word we saw on the other page, it's the word small. Small. Right. It's the size word, small. The next word is triangle, our shape word. And the next one's our color word. What word is that? Red. Huh. Small, triangle, red. 2 of these words are words that both of these shapes share. And 1 word is a word they do not share. Let's go this way. Are they both red? Yeah, right. Are they both triangles? Triangle, triangle. Are they both small? No, only 1 is small. This one is smaller than this one. So we need to put an X through that to show that is not a common attribute or a common trait that they share. So putting an X through small with your pencil, that is not the common attribute or trait that they share. But they both are triangles, and they're both red triangles. Okay, we're ready for the next one. It says, or we have 3 shapes. What's the first shape? Square, circle, rectangle. And what's another thing that they all share? What's something else you're seeing that they all share? Oh, you're noticing that all 3 of them are small shapes, especially when we look at, that's a big shape, and this one's a small shape looking. So they're all small shapes. And what about their color? Yeah, they're all all green. Okay, so we've listed some common attributes that they all share. Let's look at the words and see what we're noticing. Square. Are they all square? Are they all small? Yeah, we said they were all small, right? And the last one is our color word. What word is that? Green, right? Are they all green? Yeah, so we said they're all small green shapes. Are they all squares? No, right. We have a square right here, but a circle's not a square. So we need to put an X through that one. Okay, looking at our last one, it says number 3 right here. I'm seeing 3 shapes. What shapes do you see? Yeah, 3 circles. Are they big or small circles? Right, they're big circles, especially when you look at this circle. This circle is bigger than this circle. And, I'm noticing some other things about these. Definitely some different colors I'm noticing. Okay, let's read the words together. The first word is big, our ig family word, big. Our next word is purple. And our next word is the shape word. It's the word circle. Okay, I would like you to cross out the one that you know does not belong. Would you please do that? And then we are done with chapter 16 in our math workbook, which means we will start chapter 17 next time. Bye, everyone.